Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on Roblox notifications on mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. You can do this on both an Android or iPhone. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Roblox app and log into your account. Now once you're logged in, come down to the bottom right-hand corner to your toolbar and press on the More button. From the next screen, scroll down slowly until you see Settings, and then tap to go into your settings. From this screen, scroll down again and press on Notifications. On this screen, it's going to tell you if you currently have notifications enabled. As you can see for myself, it says I don't have Android notifications turned on. To fix that, press the green Enable Notifications button. On the pop-up that comes up, go ahead and press Allow. Then, press on Mobile Push Notifications and choose the kinds of notifications that you want to receive. For example, if you want to get notified when a Roblox community event is happening, just turn the switch on. If you have a PIN on your account, for each notification that you turn on, you'll need to enter your PIN. There are several types of notifications, like friend requests, chat messages, and experience invitations. Simply go through them and choose which ones you want to be notified for. So that's basically how you can turn on Roblox notifications on mobile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.